Welcome all. As we learned last time that how to submit our assignment when we get assignment in class notebook. This time suppose we are getting assignment through the assignment option itself. So how we can submit? So you can see on the screen your assignment is here. Now we can do what? We just click on the view assignment, and as you click on view assignment you will see your assignment is there. If there's some instruction will be there, so it will show here. Otherwise you can just click on my work. Below my work is given, click on that, and when you click on this, a page will open within the team itself. And you can see questions will be there. Now you are required to answer all these questions in the notebook itself. So for that, just use that above ribbon is given. You can see the ribbon, and that all tabs are given and some menus are given there. So some suppose in this instructions are there, you can type your answers, you can insert PDF or you can insert pictures also. So there are various methods of submitting your work with the help of this instructions. Now we will do what? We will just, according to the instruction, first question we will take as a typing question suppose. So for the first answer we will type some text. So you can do what? Just click below that and just type answer 1 and you can type your answer. I'm typing here a demo text there. You can see as you're typing in the MS Word, you can type here also, and with the help of typing you can submit your answer. So for example, I'm just copying the text. You can see here a lot of text. You can type any number of text there, means there's no limitation for that, and as you type it will get submitted there. Now answer number 2, suppose for answer number 2 we are attaching a file or inserting a file, you can say. So we just type answer 2 and then click on insert button there and click on file. Now here we'll get two options: insert file attachment, insert file printout. First we'll take insert file attachment, that how it works. Click on this and then you will get one box, and click on this box and you will get one dialog box there. Yes, as you click on this box you will get dialog box there, and in this dialog box you can select your PDF file or any type of file. It support all types of file, JPG, video, audio, whatever file you want to just put there, you can put any type of file. But you can see only file icon will appear along with the name of the file. Okay, now suppose you want to put a PDF which teachers can annotate easily, and you can see that annotation also. So you can insert your PDF file as a printout. So how we can do that? Just click on insert file and insert file printout. Only PDF are allowed here, so just click on that, click on choose file, click on any PDF file there and click on insert. After insertion you will see the preview of the PDF file will appear here, and whatever file you just selected just now, along with the icon of that, below that you can see the complete preview of that PDF file will appear. Now teachers can easily annotate these types of files, and you can see these types of files, easily annotated files. Now next, third one we are doing what? We are just selecting a next one now. Now you can see here that two options, as I explained earlier also, that these two options, if you want preview of that file, PDF file, you just select the insert printout, otherwise select the first one. Now next, picture. You can insert pictures also. So some options are there, from file, from camera, or online. So we just say from file. Just click on that, and now you can select any picture there. So any picture I selected here, and click open. Click insert there, and now your answer will get submitted as a picture. Suppose this is the answer number, whatever it is. Suppose it's answer number 3, you are submitting as a picture. Now you can submit what? From camera also. But from camera there may be some problem with the resolution, focus, etc. Your work may not be get submitted clearly, but in emergency or something, you can use this as a feature, because feature is available, and you can just put your work in front of your camera of the laptop or desktop, whatever you are having. Click on this button and click on insert, and your work will upload it as a picture. You can see here your work is uploaded as a picture also. From the camera, from the file, you can upload it, and from online, we all know, just click on from online and you can just select any of the picture available in that according to your topic, and you can insert that also here. There's no foundation for that. From file, you understand that if you have some file on your computer, you can click on that and you can insert that file. Now next is, as we finish our work, so you can see here, if you insert a PDF file will show here. As a printout, your printout will show. Now you can close this file and click on turn in. It means that you had submitted your work is finished. But see children, you can see here due date. Okay, till the due date you can turn in or undo turn in, but as the due date just passed, after that you cannot toggle on that. It automatically clicked on, it automatically gets selected that okay, you just done the work, and understand like that. So as you finish your work, just click on turn in, and you can back there. And in the notepad and in the notebook, I told you last time also that as you type, as you put anything on that notebook, all the things will get submitted there automatically. Okay, you can just check the assignment later on also. Suppose complete assignment here, and this assignment holiday homework is here. You can edit it also. You can just come here and you can, this is your assignment, but you can edit your assignment before the due date. After, you cannot modify your assignment. So this is what we are having. You can see now what we forgot here. We forgot to turn in. So just undo turn in there, and when you click undo turn in, then you can open your work, and now you can edit your work. After editing, just close it and click on turn in, and your work will get submitted to the teacher. Suppose this modification I have done here. Now I just close this work, and again I click on turn in, and your work will submit it to the teacher. You will see the date and time stamp will appear. Now for more details on that submission of assignment through the mobile phone, I will preparing. You can see my next video. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.